In other news, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has authorized COVID-19 vaccine booster shots for people with weakened immune systems. They might need extra protection. Also, the authorities in South Korea will now allow the AstraZeneca vaccine to be given to people younger than 50, but older than 30. They've also struck a deal with Pfizer to buy 30 million doses for use next year. Choi Min-jung has the latest.
The U.S. Food and Drug Administration on Thursday approved the use of a third dose of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines for people with weakened immune systems. This includes those who received organ transplants or are diagnosed with cancer, and is equal to less than 3% of the U.S. adult population. Experts say these booster shots will provide extra protection from COVID-19, as 2 doses of the vaccine might not be enough for the most vulnerable to produce an adequate immune response. With the green light given from the FDA, the CDC's Vaccine Advisory Committee will hold a meeting on Friday to discuss the matter. However, the FDA said that other individuals who are fully vaccinated will not need an additional dose at this time. Meanwhile, in South Korea, young people who register for leftover vaccines can get the AstraZeneca shots.
We're planning to change the vaccination plan so that from August 13th, medical institutions and public health centers can administer AstraZeneca vaccines to people aged over 30 who are registering for leftover vaccines.
The government has recommended that only those over 50 be vaccinated with the AstraZeneca vaccine over fears of blood clots. The measure comes in a bid to prevent leftover vaccines from being wasted. South Korea on Friday has also signed a deal with Pfizer to purchase 30 million doses for next year, with an option to buy another 30 million by the end of the year. This is part of the government's plan to secure 50 million doses of mRNA vaccines in 2022. Choi Min-jung, Arirang News.